everybody.
Good morning, Christine. How are you?
Hey, how are you, Debbie?
I'm doing good.
Good. It's the Cyber Coffee break time again. So we're here every Friday, 9 a.m. to talk to you and to talk about some local business.
I am so excited. So I interviewed David Buck. He's with Buck Mortgage Solutions and he's based in Northport. It was a great interview. He was just so much information that I just really enjoyed getting to know him and his business. So why don't you follow me and we'll go to the interview.
Yes, come on, let's go.
Hi, good morning. I appreciate everybody coming and listening to our brewing company that we're promoting this week. This is David Buck. He's the broker and owner of Buck Mortgage Solutions, and he's based out of Northport. But I'm going to let him take over and just let us know all about his business. So how are you today, David?
I am doing wonderful. How are you, Debbie?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I'm really excited about doing business with you. And tell us a little bit, like, what inspired you to start your business?
Um, my path to mortgages is was kind of a wonky one. I started originating for kind of a small brokerage based out of Lakewood Ranch, and kind of failed doing that. And I'm okay saying that. I jumped head in and I really didn't know what I was doing. I came from the banking world and thought I knew everything, but I always say failure. I never really lose when I fail. I always learn from it. So
Exactly.
I came from I did that and went into the back office. So people in real estate, I always kind of compare it to a transaction coordinator, where we did the paperwork. We took it from contract to closing. We got all the documents and made sure it funds and had the best customer experience possible. So I did that for a few years, and then started Originate again. And I did it a different way. I based most of um, my level of service to not sales, but just helping people. And I think that's really why I wanted to what inspired me to start the business is, number one, I just wanted to help people. I just wanted um, to do the right thing, and I wanted more control of helping more people. A lot of the retail banks, I won't name any names on this, but a lot of the bigger banks, they kind of have this box that they put you in, and they dictate if they want to lend to you or not. Being a broker, I have the control of using wholesale lenders and wholesale banks where they have these niches. If you don't fit in that perfect box, there's a lender that will do it. And that's kind of what I wanted to do. I wanted to help the masses and help more people by doing this.
Well, that's great. I mean, you just know everything from the beginning to the present, basically. And like you
Yeah,
said, and like we had talked about in the past, it's what's in our toolbox that gives us the wisdom. And lessons learned is, I
absolutely,
don't believe in failure. I just believe that there are lessons learned in our life. So that's really awesome.
absolutely.
What's your favorite part of doing this?
Um, my favorite part of doing this is, and it's going to sound cliche, it's the satisfaction of helping every single client that I do or that I help, and really just helping get them on the path to home ownership. It's going to be the biggest purchase of a first time home buyer's life, up until that point. Um, and and that's something that I take pride in. I don't take that lightly, and it's something that that I really enjoy.
Well, I agree with you as a realtor. I love seeing my clients satisfied and reach their potential in being a homeowner. That's a big thing for anybody's life. So thank you for sharing that. What is
Yeah,
the
it's a
one thing
huge
you
accomplishment.
say it again?
I said that's a huge accomplishment.
Yes, yes, I agree. What is the one thing you want your customers to walk away with, you know?
Um, I really want them to walk away with really telling anyone in their sphere, whether it's friends, family, that I got a guy for that, or I have a friend that's in the mortgages that can help you. Um, you know, when you're talking with your friends and family, when you own a home and you're talking about the process that went into it, I want them to say, you know, it wasn't really that hard. You know, I have a friend that does it. Here's his name. That's something that every single one of our clients that we want to help here. That's what we strive for.
Gotcha. Yes, referrals are our heart love there. I agree. If one thing, like just like one program that you want to share, maybe something that's coming up soon, is there, you don't have to go into total detail, but that you want to say, you know, this is what's coming soon.
Yeah, a really popular program that's been in place for a year or a couple years now is the Hometown Heroes. That Hometown Heroes program was specifically for our medical staff, our first responders, but uh, on July 3rd, which is that Monday, it's going to open up to any first-time homebuyer or veteran. So
Awesome.
if you're a first-time home buyer or you're a veteran, this program opens up to you whether you're in the medical field or if you're a first responder or anyone, as long as that person, that first-time home buyer or veteran, works for a company that is based out of Florida, and they work 35 plus hours a week. So that's huge. It's going to be super popular. And that's really something that I've been advertising lately to help, and that's something that 5%, whether it goes to closing costs or towards your down payment, will be huge for first time home buyers.
You could say that again, getting somebody back into a home who has not owned a home. I think it's for over 3 years, correct? They're also
Yes,
able
that's
to do
correct.
it too. So thank you for sharing that. I definitely, that's a blessing also. What makes your business, so last question, what makes your business stand out from others?
Um, and this is going to sound a little cliche too. You know, you're not just a number. It's every single client that gives me a call or I talk to. It's not we'll get you pre-approved right now or let's get you in a home right now. Let's take a look at your finances. Let's take a look at what picture or financial picture you're in right now. And if you're not ready to do it right now, let's put you on a path. Whether that's 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months down the road. Let's put you on a path to home ownership. I know we spoke about this off camera, but if you're a homeowner, your net worth is 40 times that of a renter. So getting started in real estate and having that investment is huge. And in my personal opinion, you need to start that as soon as you're ready financially.
Well, thank you so much. Your information is great. I'm very excited about working together. So this is David Buck. He's with Buck Mortgage Solutions. I'll have his telephone number listed on the bottom there, so you could give him a call. And if you have any questions also, please reach out to Christine or myself. Thank you so much, David, for your interview time, and I look forward to working with you. You have a great day.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh, David, thank you so much for your time that you gave us and the wisdom and just educating us about mortgages. I really appreciate the interview. It was wonderful.
It was really helpful. Thank you, guys.
Yes.
So, Debbie, let's talk about the market. What's going on this week?
Okay, so I did find out for investment properties, there's different mortgages out there. One, they use your rental of the property as your income. So anything you want to know, if you're an investor, please reach out to us and we'll get you connected to David.
Good. That sounds really great. Okay. And then also July 4th is coming. I'm pretty sure everybody wants to know where to go and when those events will happen. Do you have anything to share with us?
Oh, yes. So every year over in between Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda 41 on the bridge, there's a race that well, I'm sorry, it's actually not a race. It's not considered a race. It's some people don't even swim. They bring their kayaks or even tubes. Every year there's about 1,000 to 1,500 participants, and there's between 400 and 500 swimmers. I mean, it's going to be so crowded. If you are a swimmer, it takes about 30 minutes to go across. So because of the way the tide is, the time they're saying is 2:30 for start time, and they say to come 10 to 15 minutes early to get ready to swim or whatever you plan on doing to go across on July 4th, which is Tuesday. So happy 4th, everybody.
Yes, happy July 4th, everyone, and hope you guys will have a great weekend and great
Yes.
holiday. We will see you again next week. Bye.
Bye.